Hey guys, in this video, I will show you how to use Forge Hammer in Kingshot. Alright, so let's begin with the video. Now, the Forge Hammer is an item used to upgrade mythic gear to even higher levels through the mastery forging in Kingshot. Put in mind that the enhancement process becomes available at Town Center level 20, so the target mythic gear also needs to be at level 20. If you want to go ahead and use this feature, make sure that you are at those levels. Then, you can go ahead and access the Master Forging through the Hero Gear. Navigate to your Hero Gear inventory, select the Mythic Gear piece you want to upgrade, and tap on the Forge option to enter the Master Reforging interface. Just go ahead and apply the Forge Hammers. Each star requires a specific number of Forge Hammers. For example, upgrading to star level 1 may require 10 Forge Hammers, while higher levels demand more. You can go ahead and earn these Forge Hammers in the Arena Shop, the Mystery Shop, the VIP Shop, certain events like the Bear Hunt, Buccaneer Bounty, Champagne Fair, Alliance Mobilizations, and stuff like the Honor Fund. You should be able to find this in multiple sources. As you can see here, there's the Swordland, the Mystery Shop, the Bear Hunt again, as said before. You should be able to use this in the Mastery Forging feature in Kingshot. As you can see over here, you go ahead and choose whichever gear you want to forge and the amount of Forge Hammers that you're going to use, and just go ahead and press on Forge if you have decided to do so. But anyways, that's about it. So that's basically how you can use Forge Hammer in Kingshot. So that's all for this video. Consider subscribing if you find it helpful, and I'll catch you in the next one. Thanks.